Hey everyone, welcome to my another technology and tricks video. Today's we are going to show you amazing desktop PC setup of Jarvis Artificial Intelligence.
Jarvis?
Yes, sir.
Hey Jarvis,
Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, good, sir. What are you doing, sir?
Nothing.
Okay, sir. Can I help you?
No thanks.
It is my apologies.
Good job.
It is my profession, sir.
What are you doing?
I am searching new technology for you.
Good job, Jarvis.
It is my job, sir.
Jarvis,
Yes.
open secret mission.
Initiating heads-up display. Initiation completed. Loading desktop preferences.
Thanks for watching this video, friends. If you like this video, then like it, share it with your friends and family members, and also subscribe to this channel.